Hello and welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to teach you how to divide your plant. Many plants benefit from a good dividing, like this Amsonia here. Different grasses, hostas, different perennials. So what happens as the plant gets older, you can see in the middle here, I'll show you, there's a big bare spot in the middle. So what we can do to remedy that and to reinvigorate these old plants is to dig them up, divide them, whether it be in half, into quarters, replant those plants, and not only do you get more plants, you'll have some more healthier plants. All right, everyone, this is what I'm talking about. There's a big bare spot here. There's a couple of younger shoots, but this plant is a few years old with a lot of the older shoots on the outside. So this plant is getting older. What I'm going to do is dig it up and I'm going to divide it. I'm going to try to divide it into 4 pieces. I'm going to put one back in this spot and plant 3 more in another area of the garden to give me more of these wonderful plants. All right, we've gone ahead and dug up this plant. Massive root system on it. I had to really cut it. So you notice that definitely in the middle here. You always want to shoot for the middle. You can use a saw if you want to instead of a shovel. If you're using a shovel, make sure it's nice and sharp. And just be brave. Don't worry about killing a plant. So there's 2 plants. You can go ahead and plant those if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and divide these up into quarters. And that's it, 4 healthy plants. It is as easy as that. Get a shovel, get a saw, divide up some of these older plants, help reinvigorate them, making your plants that much more happy. I'm gonna go ahead and plant one of these in the ground. The root system is fantastic on these plants. But I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 ready to go. And these should roast really well. Water them in deep like you would a new plant. And these should bloom for many more years to come. Thanks for joining me, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.